I was eager to measure the current of a 9-volt DC battery, but what I had discovered was not what I expected, making me to be more confused than I have ever been. I don't know if you've been in a similar situation, guys. Watch this video to the end to see what really happened. After buying a new 9-volt battery, first of all I tested the voltage to see if it was good, and if my multimeter was okay. I then proceeded to opening the steel case. In it are 6 cells arranged in series. I tried to measure the voltage again just to be sure the steel case doesn't contribute to the voltage, but it was at this moment my multimeter gave up. Thank God I have another one for emergency situations like this. So I continued the experiment, and it was still 9 volts after measurement. I tried for one cell, and it was around 1.6 volts, which makes a lot of sense. For 2 cells in series, and it gave the result just as expected. I measured the remaining 4, and it was okay. Everything seems to be going on well until... Of course, I tried to measure current. To measure current, it's a little bit tricky. I needed a load, and my load was an LED bulb, which will be connected in series circuit with the multimeter and the battery. I tried to try out one on a single cell to see if it turns on. And it worked even though it was low, but I was sure the LED works. I connected the positive side of the LED to the negative probe of the meter, and its negative side to the negative side of the battery, and the positive part of the meter to the positive side of the battery. After measuring the first 4 cells in series, I got a current of approximately 130 milliamps. I tried with 3 cells and I got around 93 milliamps. I tried 2 cells and got around 23 milliamps. At this junction I became so confused because I expected that I should have the same current since the cells are in series. After making more research, I stumbled on Ohm's law, which justified the result, since I used same amount of load for the different voltages. I did more research, and found out something called current capacity, which is the maximum current a cell of certain voltage could have. And it remains same if the cell is connected in series. At this time I realized I have measured another type of current and not the current capacity. If you have any idea on how I can measure the current capacity, please let me have your opinion in the comment. Please support this channel by subscribing and clicking the like button. Thanks for doing so, and God bless you.